If you're ambitious but lazy, this video is for you. This happened to me. Sometimes you want to achieve a goal, you want to do something, but you feel lazy about it, okay? You have the motivation, you have the desire to achieve something, probably writing a book, creating a business, going to school, getting a degree or something, but you feel that laziness. I'm gonna tell you the solution to this because this happened to me years ago. One day I want to create an ebook on Amazon, and once I wanted to start, I have the desire, I have the ambition to make it, but once I made kind of draft, I estimated that the ebook is gonna take about 70 pages. I started writing 2-3 paragraphs, then I stopped. So what I want to tell you here is, once you set a big goal, you're not going to achieve it. Even if you have the ambition, even if you have the desire, even if you have the time, you're going to be lazy to do it. The solution to this, first of all, before I'm going to give you the ultimate solution, the first one is to relax. Have your time, go to the beach, like I'm doing now, go into the water, having some fun and relax, because the more relaxed you are, the more you will be more performance. Okay, you're gonna need to be relaxed. Take your time. For example, you want to write an ebook, you want to achieve something, take your time to relax, because if you work just 1 hour while you are relaxed, you're gonna work better than if you work, for example, 8 hours but you are overtime. Okay, so that's the first one. This video is gonna be quick, by the way, so try to watch it till the end. The second solution is, don't set a big goal. In my case, I thought to myself, this ebook is gonna take me 70 pages to do, probably 3 weeks to finish. So I got lazy, I lost the motivation, I didn't do anything. What you're gonna need to do is set small goals. For example, I wanna write an ebook. Set a small goal of 1 page per day, for example, 5 pages a week, and take 2 days off or 1 day off. This way, you're gonna set a small goal, you're gonna achieve it. Once you achieve, for example, the page, you did that page today, you stop. You stop because you're gonna tell to yourself, this is the goal, I finished the goal. And in 70 days, you're gonna finish the ebook. So that's the solution in my case, okay? Because I saw many people, they've got the motivation, they have got the desire. Some people even they have the money, they have the big budget, but they don't have that desire of finishing the things. Okay, so yeah, this video was quick, but take those advices, guys. First of all, relax to be more performance, to have more performance, and second thing, make small goals and achieve that small goals, and by the time goes, you're gonna see yourself achieve big goals. Till the next video, guys, peace.